I just got an amazing outfit idea, and oh yeah, this is Disney vlog. Hello, hi. Do we like it? Are we gonna make this work? That's my thing. Are we gonna make this work? Cause I'll make it work right now, bitch. Yes, yes. That's my final answer, yes. Disney baby. Yay. We're in Disney. Oh my god. Here you go. Oh, this is so beautiful. Oh, you want to take a picture with the pop? Oh. Stand right here.
Right here? Like
yeah.
The
It's so pretty. Wow. Look at us.
Hands, arms, feet.
How do you feel about this ride?
I'm scared.
She's so pretty. Thumbnail. Or wait, you do it from that side.
I'm scared.
It's a full house. So good. Bye, Timber. Yeah. We'll be back. Zoomed in. Look how sexy that looks zoomed in.
The book.
She's so
There was
pretty.
a skull.
Excuse me. Can you take a picture of me and my friend?
Okay, just leave it recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna record the audio on Indiana Jones, so here it is. I hope you enjoyed.
Signing off.
Mwah.
Got two.
Oh. Oh my god! It's Buster! Yeah. Hey everyone. Hey Jack. I'm just trying to get the first fireworks and then that's it. I'm waiting for the fireworks. Is there no fireworks?
I don't know, maybe at the end. Wow! Miss Ursula.
The light show just ended. There was no fireworks. We need to get Space Mountain go. Matterhorn?
While experiencing our attraction, please have them on.
This is the best ride ever. If you haven't been on it, last ride, babes. Oh my god. Jungle Cruise. Does it merge into one lane or is it? We're not there.
See, we came up that way too. I don't know. They started sending people that way. I don't know.
Perfect.
Alright, and we're on. Wait, bye to all those beautiful people on the dock. They do all have their drinks on today. Back up, everybody, duck, duck, duck! Goose. Yeah. Watching that sleeping straight horse, he really looks dead. Dead tired, dead tired. On 3, we're all gonna scream and cheer like we had a great time today, okay? 2, 3.
That's it. What do we do now?
Do we leave? What time is it? We have 20 minutes.
If we can make it to the start here, it's 15 minutes.
I don't know. Or do you just want to go?
Let's go. Well, I mean, it's right there, so if they don't let us get in line, we can just go.
Okay.
Okay, ready, set, go.
I don't know. Are we ready?
We're running now.
Okay. Oh. Walk fast.
Our Uber's here. Look.
Oh, the pretty castle. I think we made it. The park is officially closed.
I'm sad.
Don't touch.
Very sad.
I don't want to leave.
I could die right here.
Not right now.
No, right now.
Okay.
I got customers. Copyright, copyright.
Copyright. I want to come back.
When?
I want to come back when there's fireworks.
That was ridiculous. Like, there was literally 0 fireworks. Disney's got all this money, $17 million contract just to trim bushes, but no fireworks. Like I was saying, they could burn down California and it'd be California's fault. I mean, for real. Let's take this.
Great.
Fire.
Oh, it's fucking good.
Oh, hot.
Anyways, like my ears?
Smack my
Like her ears? Smack my ass like a drum. Wait.
Smack my ass like Patron.
Patron?
Like the alcohol or liquor.
I thought it was like a drum.
Oh, that actually makes a lot of sense. First of
It's
all,
smack my ass like a drum.
I thought it was Patron. First of all, okay, I got hearing problems. Also, I hate fucking TikTok.
How would someone smack their ass like Patron?
Patron fucked you up.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, bye.
Pack could be running, someone could be like, "Slow down, bitch."
I'm gonna fucking miss this place.
This is the best money I've spent that I didn't have.
I agree. Bye, Castle.
Pat my ass.
Do you guys want a picture?
Yes,
Okay.
Alright, give me your churro.
Yeah?
Yeah, thank you so
Yeah,
much.
no problem.
Which one's yours?
Ew.
Why does it smell like that? Where's my mask? I fucking dropped my mask.
So I'm hungry.
I'm not. But we can go eat. Whatever I don't eat, I can save for tomorrow. I mean, my dad reimbursed me for this trip.
Me too. The gays take over Disneyland.
Period.
Want to do something cute?
No.
Yeah. Love that. Period. Bye, Disney. It was nice knowing you. We love you forever. Next time we come, there's going to be a Christmas tree right there. Christmas. Bye, Mickey. You're probably asleep already, but
Yeah.
until next time. Bye.